I don't think you can make the 5 DIY toys shown in this video. If you are, then accept my challenge. Watch the entire video and write "challenge accepted" in the comments. First project. Don't toss that scrap paper away yet, because this is about to turn into something insane. Today, we're building a high-tension compound bow using nothing but office supplies. First, flatten these heavy paper tubes. This becomes the main frame. Strong, lightweight, and surprisingly durable. Now, space these cylinders evenly across the body. That structure keeps everything balanced while making the whole build feel almost unbreakable. Next come the side arms. This tiny pivot point is where all the real power starts building up. Time for the internal tension bands. The moment these snap back, you can actually feel the force behind it. Now, loop the main drawstring across the top. Want more speed? Double the tension. And there it is. Fast, accurate, and made entirely from paper. So tell me, who's winning the desk war now? Second project. You probably never thought a sheet of paper could do something like this. Today, we're engineering a fully functional baitcaster reel, completely from scratch. No plastic, no metal, just paper. This handle has to be absolutely precise. One tiny mistake and the entire gear system falls apart. Building the rods section by section gives it that realistic bend and flexibility you'd see on a real fishing rod. Now we add the guides. These keep the line flowing smoothly and stop friction from ruining the motion. Time to spool it up. Honestly, this part is weirdly satisfying to watch. Look at that action. Smooth, clean, and ridiculously fast for something made from office waste. Be honest, would you actually trust this thing to catch a fish? Drop your answer in the comments. Third project? Forget buying plastic toys. Build this instead. Today, we're making a fully functional pump-action blaster using only scrap paper. The real secret is hidden inside this high-tension rail system. Everything depends on stored kinetic energy. Check out that trigger response. The movement feels insanely smooth and responsive. Now let's give it a custom finish, because if we're building something this cool, it might as well look legendary too. Load it up. This design spreads the shots wider for maximum impact during a desk battle. One pump, one trigger pull, absolute chaos. So, who are you challenging first? Fourth project. This might honestly be the smallest thing I've ever built. But don't let the size fool you. This little build hits way harder than anyone expects. The secret is hidden in this high compression spring system. Every bit of power comes from pure tension. One click, and all that stored energy releases instantly. Look at that insanely sensitive trigger response. Adding a stealthy finish to complete the look. Because every sniper needs style. From 0 to full speed in a split second. Somehow it's still made completely from paper. Think I can make it shoot even farther? Let me know below. Fifth and final project. Most people look at scrap paper and see trash. I look at it and see a 50-foot range. Today, we're building a powerful compound bow using nothing but layered paper and raw tension. The secret is this double-layered frame design. It stays lightweight while handling an insane amount of torque. Look closely at that limb flex. That's pure stored energy waiting to explode forward. Now we're adding a mechanical trigger system, because this isn't just a toy anymore. It's a machine. Boom! Dead center. Crazy to think all of this came from a few sheets of paper. Subscribe now, because the next build is going to be even crazier.